Hi, this is Dave McKean with a special message, letting you know our September Homeward Bound newsletter has been published. In it, I will show you how Labor Day is a backwards holiday. And while I've got your attention, our mission is to raise $10,000 for the Bangalore Children's Home. We could use your help. This ministry is very close to my heart as they work hard to help give these kids a warm bed to sleep on, clothes and food. And as you probably know, they need sponsorships and donations to continue the care to start building on their own land. We are committed to donating a portion of our income from the home sales to this very worthy cause. So your referrals really do help the kids. Anyone you know considering buying or selling a home, please refer them to my real estate team. Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but a very worthy cause will benefit as well. You can reach me at 661-702-1940 or forward my number on. Thank you so much for checking out this month's Homeward Bound and supporting our Bangalore Children's Home. Have a great month.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube.